amber, terracotta golden beige is a vibe. You see it. I'm not going to mention the name because you guys are not going to roast me in the comments, because I roast back. You guys have been following me for a while. You know I'm not a stranger to color. This is my inspiration for the color scheme that's going to be going in my foyer. This tray was a DIY that I did several years ago with my Cricut maker, and it's one of my favorites. I did this tray and I did a Chanel tray that turned out almost like the real thing. But I just love this color, and I love how this tray turned out. If you're going to be working with a designer brand, you need to understand what the brand is kind of about or what the color scheme is if you're trying to recreate a look or a feel, right? With this particular brand, they use a lot of oranges, a lot of blacks, a lot of golds in their design. And that's important if you're trying to bring that look together. I decided to style these pieces in my home office. It makes work feel special. Instead of just another table, my desk becomes a mini sanctuary, especially when home and work share the same space. This may not apply to everyone, but for me, having pretty things on my home office desk isn't just about decorations. It plays a huge role on my mood. Having flowers, maybe a favorite mug, or some cute stationery, it creates small moments of joy for me, especially when I'm having an extensive work week. I want to touch on seating. One thing about me, I don't like filling a space with things just to fill the space. Whether it's a kitchen drawer or a cabinet, it's just chaos for me. But one thing I will always add is seating. It can completely change how the room functions and feels. And adding these decorative pillows that have the same blue tones in my painting pairs beautifully. I've been loving using candle lamps, especially in my RV because it's a lot safer, but they are cozy and practical, and they're safer than the open flame. No direct fire, no smoke, no soot. It's great for homes with pets, kids, or small spaces, and it reduces the risk of accidental fires. Get one in your life. For those of you who are new, I get so many questions about my chair, and this is for you. My chair is from Wayfair. I got it quite a few years ago when I redid my office where I'm at right now, this little cozy corner that I just love. And at the time, it was about, I want to say about $1,700. Now, the thing about Wayfair is that, well, I don't know if they do it now, but when I purchased mine, I actually got this chair for free. For free, you guys, because it came damaged. I'm gonna see if I could put a clip of the damaged product, if I still have the footage. What Wayfair will do if they send you any products that is damaged, they tell you to keep it or discard it. Period. The leg was the only thing that was a little busted, and I found something close to comparison as far as trying to match it up. Now you can't tell unless I show it to you. So there's one leg, and then here's the other. I got this chair for free. There was no way I was throwing it out, but for free. And if you had a similar situation, let me know in the comments. I would love to know if they still do that or not. This candle lamp is from Home Goods, but it came with a It was like a granny lampshade cover. It was cute, but it wasn't my style. So I replaced it with this. It's so pretty. I even have bookshelf lamps that are on my bookshelf in the smaller size of this lampshade. And I just adore it. And of course, it just goes with everything that I have going on here. I have my acrylic book stand that is from Ballard's Design. Had it for quite some time. And this tea set here is not a set, actually. The teapot is from Home Goods, had it for years. And this teacup is actually from Shein. Only have a set of 2. It's just me and Hubs, so we get to enjoy it. Like I said earlier, the tray was a DIY, and this magnifying glass is from Home Goods. Again, had it for years. I don't know if they still have them. Maybe you could try to source it on Amazon. Good luck with that. See me do a DIY on this table. It's looking a little rough because I use it all the time. I haven't, I painted it, but I didn't seal it. I guess I need to do that because I love this nesting table. It was from the Goodwill, and I think I paid like $30 for it. Great find, great find, great find. If you see my office tour video, you saw where I put these beautiful framed art pieces on the wall of my beautiful husband and I. That's like our little travel wall because we have an RV, and I like to have the memories of our RV here on the wall. And I just love this photo over here. And the cabinet here is also from Home Goods. It was a blue color and I painted it black. I painted it black. The blue was nice, but I wanted something dark. The boxes that are on the table is also from Home Goods. And this little vase here, I've had it for years. Along with the little birds, I got those from the flea market for little or nothing. This lamp is so beautiful. It got a bamboo detail on it. And I believe I got that from HomeSense quite a few years ago. Hope you all have enjoyed today's video. And here's a gentle reminder. Don't be afraid to add color to your home. It's an affordable way to refresh your space just by adding some pillows, a throw, and a few accessories. I promise you, it can truly transform the space without doing a big, extensive renovation. If you haven't already, please feel free to join me over on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. There are things over there that I don't share here on the longer form videos, like I do over here on the tube. Hope to see you over there as well. And I want to thank you all for watching.